In other news, the government is looking at implementing a national database for the social service sector. Social and Family Development Minister Chun says this will enhance service delivery to those in need. He made the announcement at a symposium for social service professionals.
Singapore currently has a national electronic health record. Doctors are able to use this to access patients' full medical history from a single database. The Social and Family Development Ministry is now looking at a similar integrated IT system that will allow social service agencies across Singapore to have access to clients' records.
Which means that someone who needs help from Bedok, if the person moves to Jurong, they will be able to seamlessly access services without having to go through the rigmarole again.
He said it's not just about reducing workload, it's also about leveraging data to plan social services based on emerging trends, such as the trend of more Singaporeans marrying foreigners, which comes with the risk of failed marriages.
Having the marriage dissolved is sad enough. Having a marriage dissolved with children from a cross-cultural background is another set of emerging challenge. So these are some of the things that we can use data to better prepare ourselves for the challenges of tomorrow.
The ministry said an integrated system could cut the time taken for frontline officers doing administrative work by 40%.
One of the biggest problems is also duplication, where the person who is seeking help has to bring along a lot of documentation, because each time when they approaches different touch point, they have to offload all the information that they have given to agency A followed by agency B.
The process of or the time taken for approval sometimes actually needs to take up to 4 to 6 weeks for a family in need. That can be a very long wait.
Now, the inaugural symposium organised by UNISIM and the Ang Mo Kio Family Service Centre was attended by some 300 social service practitioners. It's meant as a sharing session for best practices to enhance social service delivery in Singapore.
And in an exclusive interview with Channel NewsAsia, Minister Chun says he envisions a consolidated social service map of Singapore in the next 3 years. Now, this mapping will be done progressively as more social service offices are rolled out. It will meet immediate needs by locating individuals or families who are vulnerable, as well as provide a directory of social services such as voluntary welfare organizations and family service centers around the island. Mr. Chan adds there is also another dynamic aspect to the map.
And that has to do with a forward-looking map, which is that what are the emerging needs in 5 to 10 years, where the Ministry, MSF and NCSS have to work together to start building those capacity in time to come to meet those emerging needs.